Hi guys and welcome to Drivespark, and we are coming straight from the Motoverse 2025 where we told you that we will be showing you a lot of motorcycles, and a very interesting motorcycle that has finally debuted is the Royal Enfield Bullet 650 that is now gonna come in a parallel twin engine. Obviously we have put out some videos of the Royal Enfield 650 and today we are seeing this motorcycle up front at Motoverse 2025 in Goa. Now as you can see over here, this is how the motorcycle looks like. Let me just give you a quick walk around so that you can see for yourself how does the Bullet 650 now looks like. And as we all know, Royal Enfield has revealed the new Bullet 650 over here. Now this Indian motorcycle debuted just weeks after it was first revealed to the world at the EICMA 2025 in Milan, Italy earlier this year. Now if we talk about the engine, which is the main highlight of the motorcycle, the new Royal Enfield Bullet 650 uses a familiar 648cc air and liquid cooled parallel twin engine, which is obviously sharing from the same platform that it gets and it pushes out around 47 PS of power and 52.3 Nm of peak torque. It obviously comes mated to a 6-speed gearbox, and it now gets a slip and assist clutch system as well. Now let's talk about the design of the Bullet 650. Now as you can see, first of all, it remains iconic like the Bullet 350 that came earlier and is also present in the market today. Now the Royal Enfield Bullet 650, as you can see, it's got rooted designs, a classic Bullet lineage, and the highlights include a teardrop tank, as you can all see, with pinstripes all over. You have pinstripes on the front fender, on the tanks, and at the rear as well. You get raised chrome handlebars and squared rear fenders. The variant retains the signature tiger eye pilot lamps all around. You can see it has some accessories as well. You have some pannier bags, you have a leg guard, you have some auxiliary lights. Those can obviously be put aftermarket, and you also have facility from Royal Enfield from that accessory section that you can go and choose a lot of things from there. You can also see it gets that iconic round headlamp, but now it is a full LED unit and gone are the halogen days. So yeah, you have a LED lighting setup on this. Now it has two color options. One is the Cannon Black, another one is the Battleship Blue, and the Battleship Blue is exclusive to India only. The Bullet 650 uses a steel tubular frame suspended from a 43mm fork at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear. Now if we talk about the braking duties, as you can see over here, it gets a 320mm disc at the front and a 300mm disc at the rear, aided by obviously dual channel ABS. You get it on this model. And if we talk about the wheel size, you have a 19-inch wheel on the front and an 18-inch wheel at the rear. Obviously both are spoked and with tubeless tires. Now if we talk about the weight, the Bullet obviously was a very heavy vehicle, but it tips the scale at 243 kgs and has a fuel tank capacity of 14.8 liters. Now in terms of features, as we all mentioned, it comes with LED headlamps, adjustable brake and clutch levers. It gets a USB Type-C charging port, and the instrument cluster is a semi-digital one combining an analog speedometer with a digital screen for the gear, fuel and trip information, and obviously you have a tripper navigation on this as standard. Now if we talk about the pricing, it's expected to be priced around 3.4 to 3.5 lakh ex showroom, making it placed between the Interceptor 650 and the classic 650 Royal Enfield twin lineup. Now deliveries are likely to begin next year, that is 2026, early 2026. And yeah, this was the all new Royal Enfield Bullet 650. Just have a look at this motorcycle. The iconic nameplate is finally back, and now with a bigger engine, that is a parallel twin engine. Well, let me give you a few highlights on this motorcycle before ending this video. Obviously, as I mentioned, it gets a 648cc air and oil cooled parallel twin engine, 47 PS approx power, 52.3 Nm of peak torque, 6-speed gearbox, slip and assist clutch. It gets a steel tubular spine frame, 43mm front fork, twin shock absorbers, 320mm disc at the front, 300mm disc at the back. You get dual channel ABS, 19-inch front tire, 18-inch rear tire, and it obviously weighs around 243 kgs. Let me give you the color options once again. So the color options with this will be Cannon Black. Now the Battleship Blue color will only be available in India. So yeah guys, this was the all new Royal Enfield Bullet 650. Now you've seen the motorcycle in flesh, and now you know how the motorcycle is gonna look, and we'll be riding this motorcycle really soon. So stay tuned to our channel for more updates on this motorcycle and on other videos. If you liked it, do give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to all our social media channels, and I will see you in the next one.